Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough. A quote from BYD. You're probably wondering how long, right? But you know what's even more important? Choosing the right game at the right time. Is BYD the right game? Yes. Everybody wants to stay in the game, but only a few know how to survive. In a world where everyone wants to buy less and sell high, some masters play it for massive discounts. So now, let's figure it out together. In today's video, we'll find out what BYD is, and I'll tell you the reasons you should buy BYD shares now. Wait, just hold your horses. For those who are new to my channel, Money in Motion, my name is Evan. I have been busy with other projects lately, so I'm sorry for not posting any content in the last few months. In the future, I'm joining up with 2 other gigs like mine, and we will try to post more videos. This channel is about different ways of making money in the stock market. So if you like our work, make sure you hit that like button because it encourages me to make more videos about trending stocks in the EV domain. Now, let's begin. Once again, we are up with the top trending brand around the globe. Yes, you heard it right, around the globe. And the most interesting thing about this brand is that it is a lot cheaper than Tesla. Yes, I'm talking about BYD. BYD is a large Chinese automobile manufacturer based in Shenzhen, Guangdong province that serves with the motto, "Build your dreams." It sells vehicles under the brand BYD. Founded in 1995, BYD began as a battery manufacturer and entered automotive sales in 2003, turning now to the rationale for investing in BYD. Increasing sales. So BYD has tripled their sales in the past 3 years, including the Corona mandate. BYD-Tesla partnership, a prediction. A fair chance can be foreseen regarding the delivery of batteries to the giant Tesla. Tesla and BYD could shake hands for their future business. Export. They are supplying their products worldwide, and they manufacture their chips on their own. Especially in terms of production in the EV domain, BYD is going to be a global hub. If someone wants to buy stocks, then they would obviously prefer BYD over any other brand. Declining PE ratio. If one wants to know whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued, then the PE ratio, which is also known as a price-earnings ratio, is the quick measure to see that. PE ratio is often considered to be the value stock. Over the past 5 years, the graph shows the declining PE ratio trends. And generally speaking, the less the PE ratio is, the better it is for the business and potential investors. The low price to earnings ratio indicates that they are undervalued because their stock prices are falling relative to their fundamentals. This price error will be a good deal and will entice investors to buy the share before the market corrects it. Quarterly and yearly statistics. The quarterly financial chart shows that the total revenue generated by BYD is $66.83 billion, with a net profit of $808.41 million. That's creating a net profit margin of 1.21% on a quarterly basis. Additionally, the chart shows annual changes in turnover, net income, diluted EPS, and net profit margin. Now, let's look at the perspectives. Worldwide sales. After China, BYD vehicles are available for sale in Canada. According to eTaxi, it's the first BYD dealer in Canada. It is predicted that more than 2,000 vehicles should be on the province's roads within 2 years. Some 50 BYD vehicles are expected to hit the road in Quebec soon after formal approval from Transport Canada E6. BYD itself develops its competitive advantage over an inexpensive R&D strategy. In comparison to the Chinese and Japanese brands, their prices are relatively low. Chinese labor-favoring environment. The reason behind its low price is the cheap labor, coupled with government subsidies and volume production. It's all combined to lower the market pricing of China-built cars. As well, the 5% import duty currently levied on cars manufactured in China that have movements of less than 1.5 liters. That's another reason. The only emerging rival to Tesla. BYD has dethroned Tesla as the world's largest electric vehicle maker by selling 77,000 more cars so far in 2022. And some analysts speculated that this boom is due to the reason that BYD is backed by Warren Buffett. No show without punch, after all. Backed by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a philanthropist, business magnate, and one of the most successful investors. Currently, he is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. An article quoted that Buffett had no knowledge about cars and batteries, so he trusted David Sokol because he was smart enough and had great knowledge about cars and batteries, who was later fired from Berkshire, to go and check out the firm's operations in China. There is no doubt that what has been accomplished since 1995 at BYD is extraordinary. The value of this investment has increased significantly during the past 12 years. Critics faced. BYD also faced critics. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, said in an interview, "I don't think they make a good product. But when things look dark, there is always a silver lining." Later, this statement was proved to be false, as BYD dethroned Tesla, which was among the leading automotive companies. In the first half of 2022, BYD sold nearly 100,000 more electric vehicles than Tesla. BYD, which counts Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway as a longtime investor, delivered 641,350 EVs and plug-in hybrids to customers in the first half, up 315% from a year ago, compared with Tesla's 564,743, up 46%. Tesla's battery-only sales have kept it ahead of BYD on this basis. In June, for example, 64,218 of the 133,036 new energy consumption vehicles sold by BYD were plug-in hybrids. But still, its lead appears to be shrinking, as its Shenzhen-based rival and other Chinese competitors such as fast-growing Xpeng and NIO ramp up production, especially on higher-end models that compete directly with Tesla. The gains made by Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers are hardly surprising given the large market. In 2021, EV sales in China, including plug-in hybrids, reached 3.3 million units, surpassing the 608,000 EVs and plug-ins bought by U.S. consumers. Some policies favoring sales. Aggressive government policies have encouraged these sales, but China also has a wide range of smaller and cheaper EVs, such as the attractive BYD Han sedan, which is priced at approximately $32,800. By comparison, affordability remains a big challenge for potential buyers in the U.S., where the current average transaction price for a battery-powered model tops $64,000, according to Kelley Blue Book, reflecting Tesla's U.S. dominance of that segment. In conclusion, in recent years, BYD has done phenomenal work in producing quality EVs. In addition, they have given many options to targeted audiences, including hybrid and battery-powered cars. According to some sources, they could supply their batteries to Tesla, but this is not yet confirmed. Warren Buffett, being a good, timely investor, made the decision of investing in BYD, and it proved right afterward. There are certain principles related to investment. This is as per Buffett's principle of investment. Buy only shares you understand. Don't chase stocks just because everyone is trading, but you don't know anything about.